In primetime news this evening, JCF in mourning as policeman shot and killed in St. Thomas. RGD workers to resume duties after island-wide sick out. And more questions about how a female university student was tortured for 3 days without an alarm being raised.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, First Rock Real Estate Equity First Rock Private Equity has made another acquisition. I'll give you the details a little later on.
And Jordan is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Gio, a couple of changes have been made to the West Indies squad ahead of their test series against South Africa. Not surprising, but the replacements for the players who have been dropped might surprise you. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
I'm never surprised when it comes to West Indies cricket. Anyway, Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in weather. Romain?
Thanks so much, Janella. Sunny conditions are expected across the area over the next few days, and we also have an increase in dust across some sections of the Caribbean. We'll tell you more later.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the alleged torture of a female university student by her ex-boyfriend?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.